Hello guys, welcome back to Mubitech Guru. If you are new here, please do well to subscribe our channel. In today's video, I'll be teaching you guys on how to bypass your curious card part 2. So this is one part of how to bypass your curious cards. Do well to have two mobile phones if you want to enjoy this, you understand? So that if you are managing multiple accounts, you will know how to do your manipulation. So in this video, I'll be teaching you guys on how to do the processes. So first of all, I would like you guys to download this app. This app here, let's go to Play Store. Go to your Play Store and download this app. Depend on the position that you would like to place it. VPN. Look at the app. Do well to download this app. You understand? So the reason why I'm downloading this app here is because I want the network here. Whenever I connect to my VPN proxy here, like the proxy service to appear on my second device. Or if I should have this app here, when I connect this app on this device, it will pair this device. You understand? They will share the same network. You understand? So it's by sharing of same network that we're going to be doing today. So now what I want to tell you guys is, so what you need to do, so when you set up your proxy, you're going to set up all your proxy now. You're going to be setting up your proxy on this. You see, this is my crosscut 1. You understand? This is my crosscut 1. So now I'm going to be connecting this my proxy. So when I connect my proxy, you understand? So when you connect your proxy, you have already set up your proxy. So do well to use my referral link to get this proxy as well. You understand? If you want to enjoy this proxy is very sweet for crosscut. So I've already connected my proxy on this device, and I want to use the network on this device. Check out this place here. I'm not using no VPN. There's no VPN icon at the top. I'm not using VPN. Understand? I'm only connected to wireless. So now I'm connected to this device. So the next thing you're going to be doing is this app that I say you should download. Just go to this app, open the app. When you download it, open it. You can change this if you want to change it. You can change it. You can give it any number, but I'll leave it like this. Then I'll start it. Understand? So when you start this now, you understand? When you start this, it has not started count yet, but don't forget. Let's see. Let's go back here. So we want to check if it's working, if it's actually working. So you can see we have this network here, but let's see this one. Let's see this. Let's go back here. So let's go back here. Let's go back to this one. This is my second device that I want to share the same network. So I want to share the same network with it. So you can see this network is reading Nigeria. You understand? It's reading Nigeria. So let's wait. Just wait and see the magic. So you see it's reading Nigeria. So let's go back. Let me do some settings. I want to remove this thing. I just hope it's not connected. Okay. I just want to remove this. I don't need this one. So just wait. There you see something. So it's coming. So you can see it's reading Nigeria. So now we want our crosscut now to work without no connecting to VPN, because we want to be using this proxy now, and we don't want it to be showing VPN is enabled. You understand? We don't want it to show something like this whenever we connect to our proxy like this. Maybe we connect it to our proxy like this. Connected to our proxy like this. You understand? Whenever I connect to proxy, we don't want it to show VPN. You understand? We don't want it to show VPN. Let me just go back. We don't want it to show VPN. We don't want it to show this VPN. So just watch the steps that I'm doing now. Just watch the steps that I'm going to be using. So I'm disconnecting this. I don't need to use VPN. I'm not going to be using VPN. Just make sure you watch this video till the end, and do well to subscribe. Please do well to show some appreciation by subscribing. If there's a comment, leave a comment below. You understand? So I just want to stop every app. I don't want this app to work. So it's not working. So take note. So what you're going to be doing now, just go to your settings. You understand? Check for any of the Wi-Fi that you're connected. Just check on it. Then click on this dot here. So I go back. Click on this dot. You can see I'm connected. Just come here and click on this proxy none here. Just click on it and put manual. Just come to this place. come to this place, this second device, copy this proxy IP address. Just copy it. You can change the 8080 anytime you want, you understand. So this one is just for education purpose, you understand. So you come here, you set it up, you come here, so you write it. So you're going to be writing this 198.168 dot what 0 dot 188. So you can see, just put 8080 here. When you put 8080 here, the next thing you need to do is just to save, you understand. When you're done saving, I want to assure you that this network here now, whatever VPN proxy you have connected here, be it any region, in this place, in this device, in this our first device, in this mother, let's say this one is the mother and this one is the children now. So the same thing that is here is what you're going to be seeing here now. So let's see now. So let's come here. So let's refresh now. So we are refreshing. Let's wait. The network will load. Might be a network problem. Okay, come on. Let me see my network. Let me see. Okay, let me move it. Okay, I'm coming. Let me check again. Let me check to see where the problem is from. Whether it's the same details, the same information I select. So let me see. Oh, 19. Okay, sorry, I made a mistake. It's 192. 192. You can see 192.168. So, all right, let's go and try now. See, I've corrected the mistake. Let's try now. So. All right, this is amazing. So let's check the network. The both network are sharing the same network now. Don't forget, this is a part 2. You understand? This is a part 2. This is a logical method. You can see both have the same method. You understand? So it's very easy for you now. You can just check here also. They're refreshing. See, we are not using VPN. Don't forget, we don't use VPN. We didn't connect VPN. We are both sharing the same network. You understand? Both networks are connected. Don't forget, there's no VPN icon at the top, you understand? So it's good to, you're good to go now. Just all you need to do, just connect to your distance, connect it, and it won't show you VPN again. Do you see any VPN dictates? No VPN icon dictates. So you're good to go. So you can take your survey, you can do your withdrawal. If you want to withdraw, you can place your withdrawal now. You're good to go. If you want to withdraw, you can just click on withdraw, you understand? And the money will drop, you understand? For those that are having these challenges, I think this is the best way, this is the easy way for you. Also, if you have 2 devices, you understand? If you have 2 devices, you can make use of this method, you understand? Make use of this method, and you get the best from this. You can say, wow, the bit here is good. So now you can check email. You can check the email address, and you see a fund. So let's see if the money just arrived. Let's see, coming. Let me just minimize. I don't want to show all my email details. Coming. So I'm waiting for the email address. Let's see. All right, payment just arrived. You can see the payment. So here's our payment. See how easy it is. See how easy it is to withdraw. There's no stress. So this is how to go about it. So do subscribe our channel. Have a nice day. So